Hello children, welcome back to our math class, and today we are going to discuss directions. How many directions are there? Just find out. Directions. What is directions? There are four main directions, that is east, west, north and south. See children, east, west, north and south. These are all four directions in our daily life. Okay, and see, this is east and here this is west and south and north. Okay, east is this side and back west, south and north. Okay, cardinal directions. What is cardinal directions? There are four cardinal directions. What is the directions? North, east, corners. Cardinal means corners. Okay. First, east, west, north and south. There are four cardinal directions, that is northeast corner, northwest corner, southeast corner and southwest corner. How will you find out that? See children, this is east, west, north, south. Okay, these are all four directions. Here in northwest corner, this is called northwest. In between north and west, that corner is called northwest corner, and north and east in between, that is called northeast corner. Okay children, and next east and south, in between east and south, that is called southeast corner. This is southeast corner. Okay children, next west and south, in between west and south is called southwest corner. Okay children, here north and west, in between north and west is called northwest corner. In between north and east, is called northeast direction, and east and south, in between east and south, that is called southeast corner, and again west and south, in between south and west is called southwest direction. Okay children, these directions is called cardinal directions. Okay, what is cardinal directions? Tell me children. There are four cardinal directions in that: northeast corner, northwest corner, southeast corner and southwest corner. These four are cardinal directions. Where it is? It is in between the directions east, west, north and south. Okay, in between north and east corner is called northeast corner, and northwest, in between north and west is called northwest direction, and in between west and south, that is called southwest direction, and in between east and south is called southeast direction. Okay children, these are all our cardinal directions. Note it children. Fast. These are all cardinal directions. Yes. Next, directional movement. This is called like this children. This is called right direction and this is called left direction. directional movement. Like here this is right and this is left, but like this is right and this is left. Okay children? Left indication is left direction and right indication is right direction. See children, in this figure left indication is left direction and right indication is right direction. Okay. Next, directions of sun rays and shadows. Okay. At the time of sunrise, if a man stands facing the east direction, his shadow will be towards west. I am standing east direction and my shadow will be west direction. Okay children, if it is this side is east, my shadow is west side. Okay children, whenever in sun rays at the time of sunrise, if a man or if I stand east direction, my shadow will be west direction. Okay children? Next, at the time of sunset, sunset means sunrise is morning time, sunset is evening time. At the time of sunset, the shadow of the object is always in the east. If you stand like this, east direction, your shadow will be in sunset time, it is also in east direction, but in sunrise that is in west side. Okay children? Listen carefully. At the time of sunrise, if you stand east side, your shadow will be left side, means back side means west side. In sunset time, if you stand east side and your shadow will be east direction, means in front of you. Okay, this is in sunset time. Next, if man stands facing the north, if it is east, this is north. Okay, facing the north, at the time of sunrise, his shadow will be towards his left. At the time of sunset, it will be towards his right. See children, if I stand facing the north direction, this is north direction, at the time of sunrise, at the time of sunrise means morning, his shadow will be towards his left, this is my left, okay, towards his left, and at the time of sunset will be towards right. Okay children? Again I will repeat the same point. If I stand, if let us assume this is north direction, okay. In sunrise time, if I stand in north direction, this is north direction, this is not the north direction. In sunrise time, if I stand here, my shadow will be left direction. The shadow will be towards his left direction, and in sunset time, if I stand north direction, my shadow will be right direction. Okay children? If in sunrise time, that is in left side, and in sunset time it is in right side. Okay? Next, if a man stands facing the south at the time of children, if a man stands facing the south at the time of sunrise, his shadow will be towards his right, and at the time of sunset, his shadow will be left side. It is completely opposite to north direction. This is south. So, if a man stands facing the south direction at the time of sunrise, his shadow will be in right side, and sunset time his shadow will be left side. Okay children? Next, at 12 noon, afternoon, 12 noon, the rays of the sun are vertically downward, hence there will be no shadow. Okay, in the afternoon time, in sunrise or sunset, whatever it may be, afternoon is 12 noon, the rays of the sun are vertically downward, hence there is no shadow at the afternoon time. In sunrise time already we discussed, in sunset time already we discussed, and in afternoon time wherever you stand, your shadow will be in your downward direction, hence there is no shadow in afternoon time. Okay children, let us repeat the points, note it. At the time of sunrise, if a man stands facing the east side, his shadow will be towards west. At the time of sunset, the shadow of the object is always east. Okay, and next, if a man stands facing the north direction, at the time of sunrise, the shadow will be towards left side. And in the sunset, it will be towards his right side. Next point, if a man stands facing the south direction, at the time of sunrise, his shadow will be towards his right, and the time of sunset, his shadow will be towards left. Okay, in afternoon time, there is no shadow. The rays of the sun are vertically downward, hence there will be no shadow at the afternoon time. Okay children, note it. Next. Yes. Next, directions in clock. Okay, in clock. Hence, the numbers 3 and 6, 9 and 3 and 6, 9 and 12 was considered to be at east, south, west, north. See, this is east. Here, this is east and this is south. This is west and this is north. Okay, hence the numbers 3, 6, 9, 12 was considered to be an east, west, north and south. Okay, next. Next, our first question is, study this information first. Read this, study the information and answer the questions 1 and 2 given below. On a playing ground, Dev Kumar, Nilesh, Ankur and Pintu are standing as directed below facing the north. Okay, that persons facing north side. Okay children, on a playing ground, Dev Kumar, Nilesh, Ankur and Pintu are standing as directed below facing the north side. Okay, Kumar is 40 meters to the right of Ankur, and second point, Dev is 60 meters to the south of Ankur, and third point, Nilesh is 25 meters to the west of Ankur, and fourth point is Pintu is 90 meters to the north of Dev. Okay, who is the northeast of the person who is to the left of Kumar? Options are these names, and now here points is required children. Kumar is 40 meters to the right of Ankur, right of the Ankur. Kumar is 40 meters right of the Ankur. Ankur is here Ankur is here, 40 meters right of the Kumar. Okay, next point is what? Dev is 60 meters to the north of Kumar. 60 meters north of the Kumar. Okay, Dev is 60 meters north of the Kumar because this is east direction and this is north direction and this is east direction and back is west direction. Okay, this is south and this is north. Dev stands here, Kumar is 60 meters north. So, 60 meters north. Next point is what? Nilesh is 20 meters to the west of Ankur. Nilesh is 25 meters west of Ankur. Okay, this is Ankur, west side is this, Nilesh is 25 meters. And next point is what? Pintu is 90 meters to the north of Dev. Dev is here. So, 90 meters north of the Dev. So, Pintu is 90 meters north. This is north side. So, Pintu is here. Okay children, first Kumar is 40 meters west of, Ankur is 40 meters west of the Kumar and next point is Dev is 60 meters south of Kumar and next Nilesh is 25 meters west of Ankur and Dev is 90 meters north of, Pintu is 90 meters north of Dev. So, what is the question now? Who is the northeast of the person? Who is the left of Kumar? That is the question. Question is what children? Who is the northeast of the person? Who is the left of Kumar? Northeast of? Northeast of Kumar is Pintu. Okay, answer is Pintu. So, now in options Pintu is not there. So, none of these. Option D is correct answer. See children, Kumar is here. Okay, 40 meters off right of Ankur. This is Ankur, here 40 meters and Dev is 60 meters to the south of the Kumar. Here Dev. This is 60 meters and Nilesh is 25 meters west of Ankur. Here Nilesh 25 meters and again Pintu is 90 meters of Dev. Pintu. This is 90 meters. Question is who is the northeast of the person? Who is the left of Kumar? This is Kumar. Left, this one, corner, Pintu. But Pintu is not there in option. So, option D is the correct answer. Okay children, this is very easy children. Just read carefully these points and you will get the answer. Okay, note it children. Next question. If a boy walks from Nilesh, meets Ankur, followed by Kumar, Dev and then Pintu, how many meters has he walked if he has travelled the straight distance all through? Okay. Now, here already based on our points, this is the direction chart. Now, here first, if a boy walks from Nilesh, where is Nilesh? Nilesh is here, okay. Nilesh meets Ankur, okay, followed by Dev, meets Ankur and followed by Dev, okay. The person start from here and first direction is here and then meets Dev, okay. Next, Pintu, followed by Kumar, first Dev and followed by Kumar and then Pintu. How many meters has walked if he has travelled the straight distance all through? He walked straight distance. So, at these all points, first is 25 and then 40 and then 60 and then 90. We will get 215 meters. Answer A is the correct answer. They are travelling straight distance all through the way. So, add all the numbers, then we will get the answer. Okay children, note it. Note it fast children. Yes, next question. Ankit started walking towards north. After walking 30 meters, he turned towards left and walked 40 meters. He then turned again left, walked 30 meters. He again turned left, walked 50 meters. How far is he from his original position? Now, what is the chart? See children. First, Ankit start walking towards north. This is north direction children. This is north direction. Towards north 30 meters and he turned towards left. Again he turns left side. That is 40 meters. Then from here again he take left direction. So, left, that is 30 meters. Again turn left, again he turned from left side, again left, that is 50 meters. How far he is from original position? He is 10 meters away from his original position. So, because here it is 50. Okay children, already 40 done. So, again his starting point is here. Here to here 40, but he travels 50 meters. So, 10 meters, this is his original position, but he travels again extra 10 meters his original position, because 50 minus 40, 10 meters. Okay children, very simple children. Just here it is only 40, but here he travelled 50 meters. So, 40 is here and again he 10 meters extra he travelled, so that is the answer. Option D is the answer, 10 meters. Very easy question, children. Next question. Lakshman went 15 kilometers to the west Lakshman went 50 kilometers to the west from my house, then turned left and walked 200 kilometers. He then turned east and walked 25 kilometers and finally turned left, covered 20 kilometers. How far is he now from his house? Okay, let's read it again. Question that is very important, children. Read carefully about the directions. Okay, Lakshman went 15 kilometers to the west from my house, then turned left and walked 20 kilometers, take left, and 20 kilometers he then turned east direction and a straight direction and walked 25 kilometers, finally turning left, again he will take left, covered 20 kilometers. How far is he now his house? Okay, children, let's draw the chart. Now, this is my house and Lakshman went 15 kilometers to the west direction, and again then he take from here, walked left direction from here, this is left direction. So, walked 20 kilometers left direction, he then turned east. East means from here, this is east direction. So, 25 kilometers east direction and finally covered left. Sorry, from here he take 20 kilometers left direction. How far is he from my house? Because here it is total 25, this is my house, and here to here this is 15 kilometers, but he travelled 25 kilometers and take left 20 kilometers, this is and this is same. So, from here he is there now, so he have to travel to my house, so another 10 kilometers. Sorry, if he walks he will reach my house. So, option is he is 10 kilometers away from my original position. So, option D is the correct answer. Why, children? This 20 kilometers and this 20 kilometers is equal. So, if he is here, then again if he travel 10 kilometers from here, he will reach my house. So, option D is the correct answer. Answer is 10 kilometers. Next question, children. From a point, Rajneesh started walking east and walked 35 meters. He then turned towards his right and walked 20 meters, and he again turned right, and from there again he turned right and walked 35 meters. Finally, he turned his left and walked 20 meters and reached his destination. After all this, he reached his destination. Now, how far is he from his starting point? How far is his starting point? Let's read again the question, children. From a particular point, Rajneesh started walking east direction and walked 35 meters. Here in east direction he walked 35 meters and then he take towards right direction and walked 20 meters, and again he turned right. From here again he turned right side. Okay, that is 35 meters. Then finally he reached his destination. How far he travelled? Okay, this is the question, children. Okay, now let's draw the chart. See, children, first east side. This is east side. Okay, children, he travelled 35 meters. Again he turned right side. Okay, right. So 20 meters. Again he travelled 20 meters and then again he take right direction, that is 35 meters, and again he turned left direction. This is 20 meters. How far his starting point, how far he travelled? So now this is 20 meters and this is 20 meters because these two are 35 meters. So here 20 meters and here 20 meters. This is the answer. 20 plus 20 is 40. So option D is the correct answer. Just, children, it's completely depends on how you draw the diagram. Directions, you keep it in your mind and draw the figure, then you will get the answer. You can easily find the answer in direction questions, children. First he travelled 35 meters and again he take right, that is 20 meters, and here again he take 35 meters back, that is right direction. Again he take 35 meters back side. Then again he take left side, he travelled 20 meters. So that 35, this 35 is equal because he forward 35 meters, again he backward 35 meters. So that 20 meters and this 20 meters we will add, then we will get the answer, that is 40 meters. Yes. Next question. A rat runs 20 towards east. Rat runs 20 towards east direction and take right, runs 10 meters and 20 inches towards, okay, and turns to right and runs 10 and turns to right. Again he take right and 9 inches and again turns to left, runs 5 and then turns to left, runs 12 and finally turns to left and runs 6. Now which direction is the facing? The rat finally he is in which direction? The rat facing. Now draw the diagram. See, children, rat starts from here. This is our rat. Okay, this is our rat. Rat runs towards 20 meters and again towards east direction, and again the rat takes right direction, that is 10 meters. Again that rat takes 9 meters. See, children, here this is meters. Okay, and again the rat takes right direction, that is 10 meters. Again from there the rat takes right direction, so that is 9 meters. Okay, 9 meters, and again from there the rat takes takes left direction, that is 5 meters. From there again it takes left direction, that is 12 meters, and finally it turns left. Finally it turns in left side. So that is 6 meters. So here rat is there. So it is in here it is north. So that rat is in north direction. Option B is the correct answer. Hello. So now the rat is facing north direction because it is travelled from here to here. The rat is in east direction, but here too the rat travels again 6 meters left. So the direction is in north. So option B is the correct answer. After 12 meters, the rat is in east direction, but again the rat travels in left direction 6 meters. So it is in north direction. Yes. Next question. A man goes towards east 5 kilometers and then he takes a turn to southwest. This is cardinal corners. Southwest and goes 5 kilometers, again takes a turn towards northwest and goes 5 kilometers with respect to the point from where he started. Where is he now? Now, again we will repeat the question, children. A man goes towards east 5 kilometers, then he takes a right turn, take a turn to south, okay, take a turn to southwest corner and goes 5 kilometers, again takes a turn towards northwest and goes 5 kilometers with respect to the point from where he started, and now where is he? Okay. Now, a man goes towards east. This is east direction, children. So, man travelled 5 kilometers east direction and then he takes turn to southwest, because this is south, children, and this is west and this is north. So, it's travelled, this is southwest corner, okay, children. So, that man travels southwest, that is 5 kilometers, and again takes turn northwest, this is northwest corner. So, that man takes 5 kilometers northwest corner and goes 5 kilometers with respect to the point from where he started. Here he started, where he started, and where is he now? He is in the west because he travelled northwest. So, that man is in west direction. Okay, option B is the correct answer, in the west, because he travelled northwest. Note it, children. Next question. Vijayan started walking towards south. Vijayan started walking towards south. This is east and this is south. Vijayan started walking towards south. After walking 15 meters, he turned to the left and walked 15 meters. After south 15 meters he turned left from there, that is also 15 meters. He again turned to the left and walked 15 meters. First he take left direction and again he take left direction and walked 15 meters. How far is he from his original position and in which direction? Okay children, now first he travelled walking 15 meters towards south direction. This is 15 meters. This is east children. This is south. This is north. This is west. Now he travelled 15 kilometers. 15 kilometers towards south direction and he turned from here. He turned left direction. That is 15 kilometers and again he take 15 kilometers left direction, that is also 15 kilometers and again he turned left, walked to the 15 meters, again he turned to 15 meters and how far is he from his original position? 15 meters east, because he is here. So now he travelled 15 kilometers, then he reached his original position. So 15 meters east. Now he is in east direction, that is in 15 kilometers from his original position. Option D is the correct answer. He is in east direction 50 kilometers away from his original position. Okay children, thank you so much. Today we will close the session. We will meet you next session. Okay, happy Dashra. Thank you so much.